Hello everyone, how are you for today? I hope you are all fine. And today we are going to continue our lesson that is about grammar focus. For example, what and how to use it. So here our focus is introducing examples by using for example, such as, for instance, e.g., and phrases like for example also. But there will be differences in using it. So if you see the phrases that we are going to use, you can see that there is for example, for instance, such as, and e.g. So how do we use that? The first one, we will see that some phrases are used within a sentence. So there will be connection or that phrase is used in a sentence. For the second one, the phrases are used to begin a new sentence. So that means we will have the new sentence and it begins with the phrase for example. So far, are you with me? Okay, now let's continue. We will start from the first group, that is phrases used within a sentence. We will set the example so you can see the difference or how we are able to use it in the sentence. Look at 4 examples here. The first one, I can play quite a few musical instruments. For example, the flute, the guitar, and the piano. On the second sentence, you see the phrase for example is replaced by the phrase for instance. I can play quite a few musical instruments. For instance, the flute, the guitar, and the piano. For the third sentence, you see that the word or the phrase for instance is replaced by e.g. And the last one is replaced by the word such as. If you see or notice the differences, you will see that sentence number 1, number 2, and number 3 are almost similar. That there are 2 commas that you use before and after. You see, before, for example, and after, for example. Before, for instance, and after, for instance. Before, e.g., and after, e.g. But for the last one, such as, you don't use a comma after. So, pay attention to this when you do the writing, okay? Are you with me? Is it clear? Okay, now we continue to the second part. That is the phrases used to begin a new sentence. As I told you just now, if the first group, the phrases are used in a sentence. For the second group, the phrases are used to begin a new sentence. Let's see the example. My father loves going to restaurants which serve exotic foods. Full stop. For example, comma, last week he went to a restaurant which serves deep fried rattlesnake. So you see, for example here is used to begin the second sentence. For example. Now let's see the second example. Yes, here you replace for example into for instance. So you see the second sentence begins with the phrase for instance. Last week he went to a restaurant which serves deep fried rattlesnake. So far, can you follow me? Okay, thank you. Now we try to find out whether you understand or not. Let's do the quiz. 1 sentence only. Okay, let's see here. Last Sunday, my friend and I went camping. we brought lots of things. For example, a fishing rod, matches, and a sleeping bag. So my question, is it right or wrong? Is it true or false? I give you time to think. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is wrong. So, what is the answer? Look at the new sentence. Here is the answer. Last Sunday, my friend and I went camping. We brought lots of things. You see, for example, is inserted in the sentence. For example, don't forget the commas, before and after. For example, a fishing rod, matches, and a sleeping bag. Okay, I think you understand about how to use this. And we will continue to do exercise on your book. Thank you and see you again. You have a good work. Bye.